Hello and welcome to Stained Glass Gaming, where I turn video games into glass. This time, I am making the Smash Ball from the Super Smash Bros. Series. When the Smash Ball appears, it has this multicolored look, and to try and replicate that, I ordered some glass that I don't normally use, which is iridized glass. I decided to use iridized purple because I liked how it looked combined with the black. One side of the glass has the iridized coating, and the other side is purple. Two types of effects that glass can have is iridized and dichroic. Iridized glass is normal glass with the thin metallic coating on one surface. Dichroic glass displays two different colors by undergoing a color change in certain lighting conditions. Think of dichroic glass like one of those image-changing bookmarks you might have seen as a child. Aside from the straight edges, there are curves. These curves are sharper than the curves in the Resident Evil 2 video. With enough practice, I could score the curve and break it in one piece. But since I have a limited amount of this glass, I break it in pieces. My first experience with the Smash Bros. Series was on the Nintendo Wii. I didn't know it was a fighting game. I thought it was a game with all the characters from the various properties Nintendo owned. I realized it was a fighting game when I started it up for the first time and watched the opening intro. My siblings and I loved playing the adventure mode and beating the crap out of each other. When we got bored, we would set the AI against each other on various difficulties. I then bought Super Smash Bros. For the Wii U. Yes, I had a Wii U, and was crushed when there wasn't an adventure mode. My siblings and I still played it, but not as much as Super Smash Bros. Brawl. I don't have a Nintendo Switch, and haven't played Smash Bros. Ultimate. Once the pieces are cut out, it becomes very apparent that the thickness of the glass is not the same. The purple iridized glass is 2 mm thick, and the black glass is 3 mm thick. Glass comes in different thicknesses. The standard thickness is 3 mm. Thin is 2 mm, and thick is 5 mm. Rather than having the glass I use at a uniform thickness, I focus more on the color. sorry about the black bars that appeared during the video. I bought a new light source and was still trying to figure out how high to hang it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's like when you try and record a screen, be it a TV or a computer screen, and the image freaks out. I decided to use microfiber towels instead of paper towels, because I use a lot of paper towels, and these are strictly dedicated for my glass projects. I have plans for 2 more videos. After that, I will start taking viewer requests. I really like how this turned out. Something I didn't realize with iridized glass is that the iridized part doesn't show if I look at the piece head on. I just see the purple. I have to view it at an angle to see the iridized part. Like, share, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and want to see more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all through the next pane.